Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Amin Rabin Jaafar and I'm a broadcasting student from UiTM campus Rembau. And today in this video, I would like to talk about 5 skills that will make you more attractive. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, which is know how to play an instrument. The instrument could be either a guitar, a piano, a violin, or even a harmonica. You know the feeling when you come to someone's house and you enter their room and you see a large piano at the right side of their room, or even a guitar, and you will automatically be like, whoa, there's somebody in this house, in this room, that actually can play that piano. Whoa, that's cool. You know, the same goes to the other people. When they see an instrument such as a guitar or a violin in your house or in your room, and they will be like, whoa, my friend is actually very attractive. He knows how to play an instrument. Plus, if you actually can play those instruments, you can play those instruments at your family gathering or an events or party at your friend's house. You know, by doing this, you can actually stand out at any of your friends at the same party or event. And yeah, by doing this, you can actually impress any of your friends at the same place. Moving on to the second one, which is know how to cook. This is a very attractive skill to have if you're a person that loves to travel or going to vacation with your friends or your family. This is because when you go travel or vacation with your friends and you don't know where to eat, you can actually cook at the place where you stay. For example, if you stay at a homestay or at a hotel, you can cook there and, you know, be the savior for the day. Why not, right? And by doing this, you can actually make your family or your friends remember you for the rest of their lives, you know, because yeah, you just save the day. You can cook, right? It is enough if you know how to cook maybe 2 or 3 dishes. For example, if you know how to cook a spaghetti or maybe a nasi goreng. For example, if you go to somewhere with your friend and you guys don't know where to eat, you can actually cook that nasi goreng or maybe the spaghetti that you just learned and, you know, impress your friends. Besides, having the ability of knowing how to cook is actually a survival skills other than just a way to impress others. You know, you can actually survive by yourself. For example, if you go to somewhere, if you go camping in the jungle, or even you go travel by yourself, you can actually survive because yeah, you know how to cook, and us as a human, we need to eat, right? Moving on to the third one, which is know how to take good photos. You know, in the era that we live nowadays, pictures and videos are becoming very important than they are in the past. So which means that, you know, people will judge you based on your pictures. By having the ability to take good photos, your friends will actually take you wherever they go. For example, if they go to travel or maybe go vacation, and because they know you can take good photos, you can actually teach them how to pose and the best angles for them to take good pictures. Besides, by having the skills of knowing how to take good pictures and knowing the best angles and poses for pictures, it will actually benefit yourself. You know why? Because actually in today's age where we live around social media, people will actually have their first impression by scrolling and stalking your social media, for example Instagram or Facebook. And yeah, by having the skills of knowing how to take good pictures, you will know how to take good pictures that will enhance your physique and your capabilities. And by having the ability of knowing how to take good pictures, your friend will actually take you whenever they go. For example, if they go to vacation or travel with their friends or family, I'm sure that your friends will remember you whenever they go to vacation or travel. And I'm very sure that you will never ever regret if you know how to take good pictures. Moving on to the fourth one, which is a skill that I think not everyone will realize it is important, but I do realize, which is remembering names. Some people will address this as a common sense, but for me, I address this as a skills and a very important skills to have. Have you guys ever go to an event or meetings and you meet someone for the third time or maybe a second time, and the person will be like, "Hi Amir, what are you doing here?" And you will automatically be like, "Whoa, this guy actually remember my name. Whoa, I feel very appreciated. I feel very special." Have you guys ever experienced that? And if you guys ever experienced that, you will feel very special and appreciated, right? So the same goes to a person if you remember their name. This is a skill that you do not need to spend any money, but just you need to have a very strong memory. Because yeah, you need to remember names, right? But trust me, this is a very special skill to have, especially if you want to make someone feel very appreciated or special by just remembering their names. Or maybe you want to go extra, you can remember things like what the person likes to do, or maybe where they live. And always remember that the tiniest things always plays the hugest roles, and remembering names is one of them. And lastly, number 5, which is know how to dress. This is a skill that I think is easier said than done, because this is the skill that I think most people think they know how to dress, but in actuality they don't. They dress very horrible, and yeah, they do not know how to mix and match. You know, they do not know how to combine colors such as yellow and blue together. They just think that they dress very decent or good, but in actuality they don't, and they dress very horrible. But however, I think this is a skill that very important to have, because you know, you can apply these skills to pretty much for the rest of your life, because you know how to dress for different occasions, such as for meetings, or maybe go to holidays, or maybe go to birthday party, or maybe just go for family gathering with your family and your siblings. This is a very attractive skill to have, and once you know how to dress, people will actually look up for you and ask you, hey Amin, where do you buy your shirts, where do you buy your pants, your shoes? You know, people will ask you those questions because they think by wearing those pants and those shoes that you wear, they will actually look the same as you, which is look nice, right? But for some reason, if you do not know how to dress, you can always look up to influencers, or maybe just Google on the internet, and or maybe search on YouTube how to dress well, or how to dress for certain occasion. And yeah, you will always find your answers there. When it comes to how to dress and knowing how to look good, I think the most important part is you know how to mix and match and combine colors. And if you do not know what to buy, I suggest you go for neutral colors, because they tend to mix and match better than those vibrant colors such as orange, yellow, and so on. So yeah, just my tips. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys got something from today's video and got something from my tips. And yeah, and hopefully you can learn and apply it to yourself. My name is Muhammad Amin Imran. Thanks for watching.